Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you a step-by-step method how to transfer your Toncoin from Bybit into your Tonkeeper wallet. So let's start. So what you do is click on where it says make a Ton transaction, because I'm doing it from my Empire account to make a Ton transaction that will earn me around 1.4 million coins. So let's click on where it says make a Ton transaction, and it's going to prompt me into my Tonkeeper wallet. So what I do here is I copy my Tonkeeper wallet address. So what you do is click on where it says receive. After you click on receive, it's going to bring you into this page. What you do here is click on copy, because this is the wallet right down here. So click on copy. So you copy the wallet address. After copying, it says copy to dashboard, sorry, to clipboard. So what you do is go over to your Bybit account, open your Bybit account. Make sure you have some Toncoins inside your Bybit account. And if you want me to make a video on how to create a Bybit account or how to buy USDT using the P2P marketplace and how to convert that USDT into Toncoin here on Bybit, let me know in the comment section below and I'll make a video about that. So what you do is make sure you have your Toncoin inside your Bybit account. So you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, click on Ton, because this is where I have my funds. Click on withdraw. After you click on withdraw, it's going to open this page. So what you do here, that wallet address you copy from your Tonkeeper wallet, come here where it says address, click and hold and paste it. As you can see, we've successfully pasted our Tonkeeper wallet receiving address. So here you select the network, and you want to make sure you select the Ton network, because here you're transferring the money from your Ton network inside Bybit, and it has to go to your Ton network inside your Tonkeeper wallet. So click here, click on network, and make sure you select Ton. As you can see, it says make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you withdraw from. So click on here at the bottom of it where it says Ton. Click on Ton. As you can see, it has been selected. This is optional, so we are going to leave it. So what you do here at the beginning where it says amount, you're going to want to select the amount of tons you want to transfer from Bybit into your Tonkeeper wallet. So what I want to do, I want to transfer all the money I have in my Ton. So I click on where it says max. So to highlight all the money I have in my Bybit account into my Tonkeeper wallet. After I click on max, you scroll down. As you can see, it's going to let you know the limits that you are left to transfer. My account has been verified, so I have this yield limit, 22 million USDTs. That's the yield. And down here it's going to show you the fee you're going to pay for this transaction. As you can see, it's going to charge me 0.1 Ton. So after you've seen all of that and you've confirmed everything that is correct, click on withdraw. And just by clicking on withdraw, click on confirm. Okay, you're going to click on verification needed for this interest next time. Okay, that's not needed. Just click on confirm. It's going to ask to put your email address so that they can send you a notification, or maybe you do it in your Google Authenticator, so that they can confirm that you were the one making this transfer. So I'm going to wait for this while this code gets into my email. So I'm going to click on get code. I'll be waiting for that email to drop so I can put in my code right there. Okay, looks like the email dropped, and this is say withdrawal request. Okay, this is it. Let's click on it and find the code. Okay, let's click on it. And this is my code right here. I'm going to copy the code. Click on copy. Head back into my Bybit account and paste say withdrawal application submitted. That means in few hours time or few minutes time, I will be able to receive my Ton coin inside of my Ton Keeper wallet. So let's click on OK and wait for some minutes. After some minutes, I'm going to check there and show you my Ton coins that have been received inside my Ton Keeper wallet. So let's wait for a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds while that goes on. Something US dollars is now 0.00 because I've successfully transferred everything from my Bybit account into my Tonkeeper wallet. So let's wait until I receive the notification that says you have received money in your Tonkeeper wallet, and I go there to check, confirm it, and that will be it about this video. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, because in future times I'll be making videos around so many things: how to buy USDT on the P2P marketplace using your Bybit account, and how to make a transfer from either Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet or from Tonkeeper wallet to Bybit, around all these things, and how to trade it and make some cool cash for yourself. Click on the links in the description below, because I'm going to be putting a link to Bybit, Bybit, and Tonkeeper wallet in my description, so that when you click on it and your first deposit you're going to be making using your Bybit account, they are going to be charging you no gas fee. So because you use my link in the description, you'll be getting gas fee to pay for each of your transactions, which is worth around 20 USDT. So click on the link in the description and you will thank me for it. So let's check our transaction.